Hi road users, we are currently at Casa Otamen's. Have you ever come across this road sign and do you know what it means? If you do, let us know in the comment section down below. If you don't, I am here to tell you. This is a warning sign. Whenever you see any road sign which is triangular in shape, it is a warning sign, especially when it has a white background and red border lines around it. So this specific one is a children crossing sign, which shows that there's a children crossing right ahead of you. As a driver, upon seeing this, you have to slow down and be cautious because children are very unpredictable and can cross the road at any time. You usually see this road sign around schools or in residential areas where the children are highly populated, or a place where there's a main area around. Have you ever come across this road sign? What do you think it is?
It is a warning.
Okay, it's a warning to drivers, right?
Yes.
And what does this specific one say?
It says that it is a warning for children to how crossing the road, showing how to cross the road.
That's good. So it's a warning sign which says children crossing ahead. When drivers see this warning sign, what are they supposed to do?
They are supposed to respect the sign.
Yeah, that's a very good, strong word. So drivers, you are supposed to respect the sign. And in respecting the sign, what are they supposed to do? They are supposed to slow down and then stop for children to cross. Yes, because children are very unpredictable. Maybe one person will try crossing the road, so they are supposed to slow down to cross the road. That's good. Okay, so how do you safely cross the road as a human being or as a child?
Left and right, and left again and right again. Now you see if a car is coming, and if the car is not coming plain, then you cross.
Okay. And when you are crossing the road, you're not supposed to run, right?
Yes.
You're supposed to do what?
Walk.
Okay, that's good. So you're supposed to walk briskly, because if you run, you can trip and fall. That's good. Thank you very much, Dauda, for your time. So we just came across a student and we are going to ask him a few questions about the road sign. Hi, my name is Rita. What's your name?
My name is Judiakon Alvin.
Okay, Jude, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So have you ever come across this road sign?
Please, yes.
Do you know what it means?
Please, yes.
Please, can you tell us what it means?
Please, it means students or children crossing the road.
That's great. So this specific one is a warning sign which says children crossing ahead. Usually, exactly where the children crossing is supposed to be, there's a blue one there, and sometimes there's a zebra crossing mark on the road.
Thank you.
Okay. So do you usually cross the road over here?
Please, yes.
And usually when you come and stand here, you are crossing the road. Do the drivers stop for you to cross?
Please, sometimes no, sometimes yes.
Okay. But what do you think the drivers are actually supposed to do upon seeing this road sign?
Please, if they see this thing, they have to stop for the children or students to cross before they can continue their driving.
That's an excellent response. Okay, so do you know how to safely cross the road?
Please, yes.
Can you please educate us on that?
Please, first you look to your left and your right, left again. If there is no car coming, you cross the road.
Okay, that's also a perfect response. Thank you very much, Jude, for your time.
Please, thank you.
We have another kind gentleman here who is also a student. Please, have you ever come across this road sign?
Please, yes.
What does it mean?
It's a sign whereby if car sees children or an elderly person, they stop for the person to cross.
Okay, that's nice. So this is a warning sign, and this specific one says children crossing ahead. So as you rightly said, drivers are supposed to slow down or stop for students and other children to cross the road safely. Okay, so do you usually cross the road?
Please, yes.
And when you are crossing the road around this place, do drivers actually stop for you to cross?
Please, yes.
All the time?
Yes.
Hey, okay, that's really nice. Then maybe the favor of God upon your life is very big.
Yes.
Okay, so do you know how to safely cross the road?
No.
Oh, I'm sure you know it. So they usually say you want to cross the road, you first look to your left
then you look at your right. If there's a car coming, you wait for the car to pass before you cross.
Okay, that's a good response. So you look to your left, you look to your right. If there's no car coming, you look to your left again to make sure there's no car coming from that side. Then you safely cross the road. Okay. So have you ever come across this road sign? What does it mean?
It means that crossing a road.
Okay. Children crossing ahead. Okay. So as a student, when you see this, what does it mean to you?
This means that if a child or a person is crossing a road, the person must check the left and the right if no car is coming, and the person must move on and cross the road.
Okay, that's great. But usually when you want to cross the road, it's safe to stand somewhere that is close to such a sign, because that's the area within which the drivers are likely to stop for you to cross. And usually the drivers are supposed to also slow down in such an area. Yes. So you've told us that when you are crossing the road, you have to look left, look right, look left again before you cross the road safely. So when you are crossing the road, are you supposed to walk or run?
Walk.
Okay, that's correct. You're supposed to walk in order not to trip and fall in the middle of the road. So we are going to demonstrate how children should safely cross the road. Let's wait small. Let's go. Dude, thank you. Bye bye. It's called Safe Driving Ghana. Safe Driving Ghana. Yeah. This is like it, I'm crossed.